Today 29 September, James daily combo first card, and I will search first card at hardware wallet. One card open, and I will search second card, Kane Pots. Open second card, and I will search third card. I'll go to special and go to available. I will search third card, Ethereum. Now click third card, complete mission.